All right, here we go. I don't know if you can hear me because I got my earplugs in, but we're loaded up. We got 5 rounds. I don't know if you can see the target. It is clean. I'm going to put the camera down on my phone and see, hopefully. Let's see.
You know, when I first saw it, he came and asked me, "Can you tell me what I'm doing wrong?" I said, I was going to approach you.
All right, there's the phone.
I said, first of all,
here we go.
wrap your finger around.
First shot.
When you pull the trigger, it's going to be at low left. Everything was low left. Yeah. I think the target out there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Everything was over here. Yeah. You look underneath here.
Oh, yeah.
First target.
Whoops.
Look. Look at
All right.
that. Here.
Yeah, that's some beauty. All right, we'll finish the 5 rounds and shoot some more, and you'll see pictures later. All right, I should have quit when I was ahead. I think that is all psychological. So 15 on the bottom, 5 on the second, 3 on the third, and I tried 3 times for that red dot and just couldn't do it. So I'm going to take a break and see if I can hit it.